Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and isolating variables. You clean the sensor with 70% isopropyl and a lint-free cloth, remove cases or screen protectors, then power off and restart. Once done, check for OS and security updates and verify the fingerprint feature is enabled in settings. Next, boot into safe mode or switch to another user profile to confirm no third-party app is blocking the sensor. These actions remove common causes, so you can proceed to recalibration. Now you re-register the fingerprint properly to improve recognition. First, delete all saved fingerprints, then reboot the device to clear residual processes. When re-enrolling, scan the same finger 3 to 5 times, varying angle and pressure so the sensor learns edges and center. Make sure your finger is dry and clean, avoid cuts or lotions. Also disable battery saver and increase screen timeout during enrollment because low-power modes can throttle sensor performance. These steps recalibrate the system for reliable unlocks. Complete the process by resetting related system data and testing alternatives. You clear biometric service cache or app data in settings, then test a different finger and run a diagnostic app to check sensor responsiveness. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset to rule out software corruption. If the sensor still fails after that, make sure to contact an authorized repair center because hardware failure might be the cause. Quick troubleshooting tip. Try a soft cloth and 70% isopropyl before any reset. It fixes many false negatives.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.